This is PAI's high-performance piston kit, manufactured for Caterpillar C13 engines. This kit comes stocked with piston, pin, and pin retainer. The PAI part number for this piston kit is 311-166HP and 322-0329 for the HP piston. Our high-performance pins are set apart by our isotropic super finish process. This process makes a smooth, mirror-like finish on the pin, which lowers the burden of friction and allows the drivetrain to run smoothly, freeing up power and improving fuel economy. This high-performance piston's crown is treated with our ceramic thermal barrier coating. The presence of the coating provides a more effective and more even fuel burn throughout the combustion chamber. An innovative dry film lubricant is applied to this piston skirt. The coating is applied in a thin layer to lower scuffing and wear, while also making the skirt highly resistant to friction. This high-performance piston comes equipped with PAI's 3-year warranty.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.